So the first thing we got going, Tesla stock split 5-1. Y'all remember Apple? Apple is doing a 4-1. That means for every one stock you have an Apple, you're now going to have four coming up on August 24th, I think. So the first stock you have, you're going to go to August 24th. On August 24th, you're going to have four. Don't quote me on that particular date, but I know Tesla is saying August 31st. For every one share, you're going to have five. Simply meaning, if you had five shares for $1,500, the stock split into 15. Now you're going to have one share for $300. So if you had one share Tesla for $1,500, you're not going to have five shares of Tesla for $300. What does that mean? Usually stocks go on a bullish run because now the stock is more affordable, increasing people want to buy more and things like that. So pretty good. Since the Apple has announced their stock split right at their earnings, the stock has taken off. Tesla's following the same suit, whereas people see stock splits making more companies more affordable. People who had $300 just last this month, if you had $300 right now, you can't even get in the Tesla game unless you buy stock splits, or not stock splits, unless you buy fractional shares or something like that. So very good, more affordable, meaning that it can get inside of some mutual funds, other things like that, more accessible to increase demand. Anytime you lower the price, you're going to potentially increase the demand. Now, when you look at the value of the stock and the option chain, all that is going to adjust. So take me for example, I have 400 calls. I have Apple 400 calls for June of next year, right? And come when they do the stock split, instead of me having a 400 call, it's probably going to be a 100 and something call, a $100 call, right? So the option chain is going to adjust. The price, the PE is going to change. All this stuff is going to change accordingly. It's really nothing that's going to happen too crazy, but the stock is just going to be cheaper. And everybody knows anytime you create something cheaper, it usually increases the demand for what you're doing. All right.